Casey Anthony will be back in court next Monday, but it won't be for a trial in her check fraud case. That case was originally scheduled to begin on Monday, and News 13 was the first to tell you that trial would not move forward as planned. News 13's Adam Longo broke that story, and he explains what's next for Anthony and her defense.
Legal experts believe that the reason Casey Anthony's check fraud trial won't start on Monday is because they say she's ready to change her plea. Casey has thus far pled not guilty to charges she stole checks from friend Amy Huizinga, cashed them at a local bank, and used them to buy goods at a Target store. While there's no confirmation at all that Anthony plans to change her plea at a hearing on Monday,
their plea of guilty.
It wouldn't be the first time a high-profile defendant surprised everyone with a plea change. In November, at a pre-trial hearing,
Is that correct?
That is correct.
Former astronaut Lisa Nowak pled guilty to a reduced charge and avoided prison time. What's not clear with Anthony is if any deal has been struck between her lawyers and prosecutors. Legal experts say a felony conviction on check fraud charges wouldn't come up in her murder case unless she took the stand. So, does the defense really lose anything with a guilty plea?
Yes, I am.
And that's not all expected to play out on Monday. Sources say 2 different motions will be heard by the judge. The first deals with the Texas EquiSearch Group. Anthony's lawyers filed papers with the court back in November saying, quote, evidence discovered by the defense shows that statements made by Texas EquiSearch to the court were inaccurate. EquiSearch handed over documents stating only 32 volunteer searchers combed through the area where Kaylee's remains were eventually found. The defense found at least 2 others who offered sworn statements.
There's 2 different times I was out there.
And News 13 talked with a man in November who said he searched in that area. Anthony's defense believes EquiSearch hasn't been forthcoming, and they are once again demanding all documents relating to the search for Kaylee.
He duct taped my hands one time.
And the other motion expected deals with this woman, Jill Curley, an ex-wife of meter reader Roy Kroc. She claims he was physically abusive with her, and Anthony's defense is asking the judge to allow her testimony. Adam Longo, News 13.
Well, that hearing is scheduled for 1:30 on Monday. Count on News 13 to bring you the latest throughout that afternoon.